Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fried rice powder. First, gather your ingredients: uncooked rice, garlic, and ginger. Make sure your rice is completely dry. This is crucial for a good powder. You'll also need a clean, dry pan. We're aiming for a fine, aromatic powder that will elevate your fried rice dishes. This simple method ensures a flavorful result every time. Let's get started with the toasting process. Now, let's toast our ingredients. Place the dry, uncooked rice in your pan over medium heat. Stir it continuously until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Next, add your sliced garlic and ginger to the pan. Continue toasting until they become fragrant and slightly crispy. Remember to keep stirring to prevent any burning and ensure everything browns evenly. This step develops the deep, nutty flavors essential for the powder. Once your toasted ingredients are golden and fragrant, let them cool down completely. This is important for achieving the right texture. Transfer the cooled mixture to a spice grinder or a powerful blender. Process the ingredients until they form a fine, consistent powder. Make sure there are no large pieces left. A smooth powder will blend seamlessly into your fried rice, enhancing its taste and aroma. Finally, let's talk about storage and usage. Once your fried rice powder is ready, transfer it to an airtight container. Store it in a cool, dark place to maintain its freshness and potent flavor for several weeks. Use about 1 to 2 teaspoons per serving of fried rice for a delicious boost. This powder adds an incredible depth of flavor. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.